Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you a fun way to demonstrate atmospheric pressure. Check this out. So all I'm using in this demonstration is a bowl of water, some food coloring, my blowtorch, and a really long test tube on my ring stand. Begin by adding just a small amount of water to your test tube. And you're going to bring that water to a boil so that the steam convects as much air out of the test tube as possible. So you can see that we have just a very small amount of water. The next step, as you bring the water to the boil in the test tube, you want to practice rotating the stand so you can very quickly lower the test tube into the bowl of water. So I'm just churning it here, but you want to loosen your clamp up just enough so that you can easily turn that and lower it into the bowl of water. Okay, now you're ready to bring that water to a boil. And again, you want to convect as much air out of the test tube as possible. And heat that up. You see it's boiling. Okay, now we're going to slowly invert the test tube into the bowl of water. Let's see what happens. That water level. Watch the water level inside the test tube. Do you see it climbing? What's making that water level climb? It's still going. That water is climbing against the force of gravity. How is it rising in the test tube? Still going. Here again to get a full scale. That water rose all the way from the bowl, all the way up to this point on the test tube, almost to the very top. How is that possible? What's happening here? So people always ask me, what makes the water level rise inside that test tube? Well, there's a lot of pressure acting upon us. At sea level, we have 14.7 pounds of atmospheric pressure acting against us. And so when we boiled that little bit of water out of the test tube, that convection forced the air out of the test tube, allowing the atmospheric pressure that's pressing down on the water in the bowl to force that water up inside the test tube. Because now there's all this empty space inside the test tube for the water inside the bowl to go. It's amazing the power of atmospheric pressure. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.